I'm Brad Heimbigner. We'll take good care of you here at Klahanie Chevron Service Center. I'll tell you more in a minute.
Driving around on a hot day with the air conditioner not working properly can be uncomfortable and ruin your day. WikiHow.com tells us a few things to look for if you sense your AC is not working properly. First, turn your car on. After setting the air conditioning to its highest setting, look for the following. Smell the air coming from the vents. If there are unusual smells, you could have a leak. It can also mean the cabin air filter may need to be changed. Thankfully, this is a fairly easy and inexpensive fix. Check for a blower motor problem by turning on the heater. If the airflow is weak when the heater is on, your blower motor may have gone out. Check all the vents. Move the vent selector to see if the air moves to the proper vent. If not, replacing the doors inside the dash that determine the direction of the air might be needed. Check the tension on the belt of the compressor. It should be tight. If it's loose, it's then time to replace it. If any of these problems show up on your vehicle, check your manual, seeing if it's something you want to try to fix. If too much work, then let us help you get your car's air conditioner back to working great so you can stay cool and comfortable.
I'm Brad Heimbigner for Klahanie Chevron.
I'm Dave, the service manager. At Klahanie Service Center, we have ASE Master Certified Technicians for all your car's needs.
We're here for your major and your minor mechanical repairs, whether you drive a foreign or domestic car or truck.
But we're also a great place for your routine maintenance. Avoid dealer prices and bring your vehicle to us.
And we have great Chevron gasoline. Online, we're at KlahanieServiceCenter.com, and you can like and follow us on Facebook and YouTube.
Come in, and when you do, say hi.